Hello everyone, my name is Akash Parikh. In today's video, we are going to solve a question which is appeared in GATE 2017, and the question is from time complexity. The question is, consider the following function from positive integer to real numbers, and the functions are 10 is a constant function, root n, log base 2 n, and 100 by n. The correct arrangement of the above function in increasing order of the asymptotic complexity. So we have to order them in increasing order. That means the function which will be the least asymptotic complexity will be first, and the whose complexity the highest will be at last. So in this type of question, what we can usually do is that we can assume some n, but you should assume such a n which should be large enough. So suppose in this case we are assuming that n is suppose 1024. So we'll calculate. So 10 is up. So we've n will put the n in all these functions. All these function will put the n in all these functions. So 10 is a function. So 10 is a constant function. So it will return 10 only. So first we will have 10 and then root of n. So root of 1024 will give us 32. So first 10 give 10 and then root of n gave us 32, and n itself is 1024. Log base 2 of n will give us 10. You know that log base 2 of 1024 will give us 10, and 100 by 1024 will give us something which is, we can say that something which is less than 10, or it is way much less than 10, but suppose we are telling that it is less than 10, it will be good enough for us. So now we can arrange. We see that n is the highest, so n is highest, and after that root n, so root n is before that, and now there is a tie between this 10 and this 10 because this is less than 10. So which one should come first? Means in this order, if you're going backwards in this order, then we see that 10 is a constant. Whatever the value of n we will take, it will always return 10. But if suppose the value of n were 2048, then log base 2 of n would have written 11. So that means this function is bigger, so we will write log base 2 of n. And now out of this two, 10 is bigger because this function is less than 10, and then before that will be root by n. So this is our ordering, and this ordering is in question number part B. So our correct answer should be B. Thank you very much.